when someone's listening to this, it could be any holiday or any season.
Yeah.
This is the perfect gift for your loved one. A video of me and Katie. Hey everyone, Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, hey Katie.
Hey.
How are you?
I am so good.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I am truly living my best life.
I mean, of course, you're on the couch next to me.
On the couch
We're
next
listening
to Jason
amazing
Catron.
music.
You should
You're
stream
in the
him
room.
on Spotify.
You totally should do that.
But you should also
hit that subscribe button. Oh gosh,
follow us on.
I just spilled that all over me.
Well, it's a
Wow.
red couch, so we're
Yeah,
okay.
totally.
Facebook, Instagram, TikTok,
Patreon,
all of it.
all things, and
'Cause we
share
got
it with
good
your
stuff.
friends and family. You know what? It's birthday season. It's Mother's Day. Is it Mother's Day? I don't know. It's Christmas. It's when someone's listening to this, it could be any holiday or any season.
Yeah.
This is the perfect gift for your loved one. A video of me and Katie. It's free. You don't have to pay for it. Just send it over to Mama.
Hey, Mom.
Send it over to your bestie.
Love you
Send
so
it over
much.
to that wife or hubby or girlfriend or
Yes.
boyfriend and be like, I love you so much.
I love you so much. You've got
Let
to
me
see
show
your
you the
best
true
friend.
picture of love and
Yes.
friendship. It's right here. And it's free.
Oh,
Hey,
my
let's hit
gosh.
those
All
buttons.
you gotta do is subscribe the rest of your life to it.
Yes. What are we doing today, Katie?
Oh my gosh! So we're actually gonna go stateside,
We are, and guess
which
what?
we've not been in a while.
And these two artists are amazing, of course.
Yeah.
One is so, she's so anchored and solidified in her career and had a huge presence in the 2000s.
Mm-hmm.
One is...
Grew up with her here too.
Totally, you did.
Yeah.
And we both come from the coaching world, from our mentor, Brett Manning, who was her coach.
Mm-hmm.
So we're very closely connected to Hayley Williams of Paramore.
She's incredible.
Doing this
What a
thing
voice.
with Billie Eilish at Coachella.
Yes, I'm excited to see.
Me too.
Sorry, I totally overstepped you.
No, you're fine.
To see their voices together.
Yeah,
Let's dive right in.
Here we go, Katie.
Hi. Always please welcome my friend, Hayley
My.
It's got to be so cool to be friends with people that you grew up idolizing.
Oh yeah.
Or,
Totally.
looking up to, right?
Yeah, because like
my first Coachella.
That's crazy. Her hair is amazing.
I know it always is.
Yeah.
Whoa, thanks for sharing this with me. This is sick. Hi. Hayley, wanna sing something? Yeah. Yes. I'm better at singing than talking.
I mean, this camera is like...
I know.
You ready?
Oh my gosh.
Here we go.
Here we go. Let's go back 2004, 2003.
Probably.
Her,
So
prediction.
good. That's Brett Manning right there. She sounds fantastic.
She sounds amazing.
Her voice is so big.
Yeah, effortless. That was cool.
Mm-hmm. This camera.
I'm glad to hear her open up some.
Yeah.
Because she's got it. She's straining it like crazy. See it?
Yeah.
Hayley. Here, hold it. Is she gonna hold it? She's been disciplined since she was 12.
Yeah, totally.
Like literally learning her voice.
She
and
has.
You can see.
She's a true diva.
Still is entertaining, even acoustic.
Yeah, totally. And bad camera.
Very bad camera.
Also, this person's like way far away. What kind of camera did they have?
She had a little rasp there. I loved it.
Yeah. Hayley, come give us more. Nah! What a star. What a star. What a star.
You know, Hayley's a seasoned performer and singer, right? And I say seasoned not meaning that she's old, but she is truly, even as young as she is, mastered her voice because she spent decades on it.
Yeah.
You know?
And countless hours.
Yes.
And we know that for a fact because, again, she's worked with our mentor for so long. And then she moved to LA, started working with a coach there. But she has been a student of the voice for a long time.
And you can tell because she never disappoints.
No.
Doesn't matter what song she's doing. She could do anything. And it was cool to hear some Billie stuff in there. I got mesmerized more by Hayley, to be honest with you.
Of course, I did too.
But I did like hearing her open up a little bit more than I've heard, at least live. I've not seen a ton of her live, but
and Billie Eilish has an amazing voice. Yeah, there's no doubt.
Incredible.
But she's got her style thing.
Yeah.
And I can't wait for the day that she really.
She's gonna give us more.
She totally is. It's gonna happen.
She's got it. She's got so much in that voice.
Oh, for sure. She's fantastic.
Yeah.
So I can't wait for that moment. But this was cool. You know, it was fun for Coachella, for everyone there.
Oh,
they were dying. To kind of see it. And, you know, it's kind of like people are freaking out like they do when they see us on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, are you Billie or are you Hayley?
Who do you want to be? I know who you want to be.
I'm Hayley.
Okay, I'm Billie.
Thanks.
But I'm actually Katie Talbot.
And I'm Jason Catron. And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Oh
my gosh, I almost inhaled my water.
We did it.